folks, Mike at Maryland Sunrooms here. Today's segment is on how do I clean the glass in my sunroom. First, you start with a 50-50 solution of apple cider vinegar and water, and you can add a few drops of dish soap in there as well. Just spray it on your glass surface. Take a soft sponge or cloth, wipe it down, and then let it dry. You don't want to wipe it clean because that'll cause streaks. You can also, for those tough spots, get 4-aught steel wool and you can scrub the surface of the glass with that as well. Okay, now that our glass is dry, you can take a dry microfiber sponge and go over the surface of it to get any of those little spots that might still be there. It does a really nice job polishing it up. And if you want to learn more about our self-cleaning glass, go to MarylandSunrooms.com.